Alright, the continuing saga of how to make the Slash a better race truck. So I have taken it apart because it needs a rear diff rebuild. I don't remember what fluid was in it. It felt pretty good, but while I am at it, I am going to be putting on this brand new Hot Racing diff case. Figure it might hold up a little bit better to heat, might hold all the gears in alignment a little bit better. I just bought one of them now just to try them, and then if I like it, we will put them in the rest of the vehicle, probably my son's Stampede also. But just wanted to give a quick look at it. Here's the part number. It looks like it will fit beautifully, exact same shape. I'm going to go ahead and get the gears, the old gears out of this, start looking at what it's going to take to put, if I have new gears or what I need to do to put in here, and show you and make sure that it all goes together smoothly. Of interest, the screws that came with the Hot Racing kit are actually shorter than the screws that I already had in my rear differential. I went ahead and tested one, and it turns out the ones I already had will screw all the way in, and so I think I'm going to use those. I think I'm going to go with the extra thread length. Diff works beautifully, and look at that, that looks good too, doesn't it?